Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we break down real tech and productivity tools so you can decide what actually works best in your life. Learning a language in 2026 means having powerful apps in your pocket, ready to help you practice anytime, anywhere. Two of the most talked about tools are Memrise and Duolingo. Both promise fun, effective learning, but they take very different approaches. Today, we're comparing them side by side to help you decide which one is the right choice for your language journey in 2026. Overview: Memrise and Duolingo. Duolingo is arguably the most popular language app in the world. It's known for bite-sized lessons, gamified progression, and a huge catalog of languages. Memrise focuses on real-world vocabulary, immersive learning, and native speaker videos. It's less gamey and more grounded in context and memory science. Both are strong in 2026, but your goals make a big difference in choosing one over the other. User experience and interface. Duolingo has a bright, playful interface with levels, hearts, streaks, and XP points. It's designed to make learning addictive and motivating. If you like game-like progression and quick sessions, Duolingo is extremely effective at keeping you engaged. Memrise has a cleaner, more content-focused interface. Lessons emphasize vocabulary and context, casual phrases, and real pronunciation from native speakers. It feels less like a game and more like practical study. Winner: Duolingo for beginners and motivation, Memrise for serious contextual learning. Learning methodologies. Duolingo uses repetition, translation, and short exercises to reinforce grammar and vocabulary. Lessons are structured and scaffolded, guiding you from basics to intermediate concepts. Memrise uses spaced repetition and real-world content, including videos of native speakers, so you hear real accents and natural speech patterns early on. This makes Memrise especially good for listening and real-life usage. Winner: Memrise for real-life language absorption, Duolingo for structured progression and grammar basics. Course variety and language support. Duolingo offers dozens of languages, including popular and niche ones. It's great if you want multiple languages or uncommon ones. Memrise also offers many languages, but tends to focus on the most widely studied ones. Its courses for less common languages can be thinner. Winner: Duolingo for variety, Memrise for depth in core languages. Advanced features, 2026 updates. Duolingo now includes AI-powered conversation practice, adaptive learning paths, and community events. It helps learners practice speaking and listening through AI chats and real-time feedback. Memrise has enhanced spaced repetition algorithms, immersive video content, and deeper memory analytics that track what you struggle with and when to repeat. Both apps now integrate with smart assistants and offer offline downloads, but Memrise's real-world clips give it an edge for cultural nuance. Winner: Duolingo for AI interaction, Memrise for real-world context. Pricing and subscription models. Both apps offer free tiers, but the full experience requires subscriptions. Duolingo Plus removes ads, unlocks more lessons, and adds advanced features. Memrise Pro adds full video content, spaced repetition mastery, and detailed language statistics. In 2026, Duolingo tends to be more affordable for casual learners, while Memrise is better value if your focus is real-world fluency. Winner: Duolingo for budget learners, Memrise for depth. Who each app is best for. Choose Duolingo if you want fun, motivating, gamified language learning, are a beginner or casual learner, want to try multiple languages, learn best with bite-sized habits. Memrise if you want real-world vocabulary and usage, want native speaker pronunciation, prioritize listening and speaking skills, prefer structured repetition over gamification. Final verdict: 2026. There's no universal better, it depends on your goals. Duolingo is excellent for engagement, habit building, and exploring many languages. Memrise is stronger for real-world fluency and hearing native speech. If you can, use both together. Start with Duolingo for structure and use Memrise for immersion. If this comparison helped you choose between Memrise and Duolingo in 2026, give the video a like, subscribe to GigaBits, and turn on notifications. We break down what works, what doesn't, and how to learn smarter so you don't waste time on guesswork. See you in the next one on GigaBits.